Greetings gourmets, I'm going to show you the best way to cook your spiced carrot fritters.
With your oven preheated to 220 degrees centigrade, we can now fry the carrot fritters. Take a non-stick frying pan and place on a medium to low heat. And then with the spice oil mix, stir thoroughly with a spoon to make sure the spices are evenly distributed, and then pour enough into the bottom of the pan just to cover. Take your fritters, you will be supplied 3 per person, and then place them in the pan to cook in the oil. Cook for around about 1.5 to 2 minutes each side until you get a nice golden colour. Once they've been cooked for a total of 3 to 4 minutes, take them out and place them on a baking tray. You can then pop this baking tray into your oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has elapsed, take the carrot fritters from the oven and then carefully place the tray onto your work surface, and then take the fritters and then drain briefly on some kitchen towel. This will just remove some of the excess oil. After 20 seconds or so, you can then remove the fritters and then plate up. So there you have it, spiced carrot fritters for your Moroccan box. Thank you.